Hello, you're welcome. We have a question that we want to deal with this morning. So I name it question for the day. So they says that Amma work for 3 hours at a rate of one whole number, 1 out of 2 kilometers per hour from her village to Accra to take a bus to Kumasi. If the bus traveling at 15 whole number, 1 out of 2 kilometers per hour, takes 2 hours to travel from Accra to Kumasi, and our work is to find or what is the distance from Ama's village to Kumasi. So they say Amma worked for 3 hours at a rate of one whole number, 1 out of 2 kilometers per hour from her village to Accra to take bus to Kumasi. If the bus traveling at 15 whole number, 1 out of 2 kilometers per hour, takes 2 hours to travel from Accra to Kumasi, what is the distance from Ama's village to Kumasi? So what it means is that we are to calculate the distance from Ama's house to Accra, then from Accra to Kumasi. Alright, so at the first place, since the mentioned rate, it means we are talking about speed. People always get confused about speed and velocity. Speed is a scalar quantity, whilst velocity is a vector quantity because it has both magnitude and direction. So here we are coming to talk about speed. So speed is equal to distance out of time taken. But in this case, if you see Amma walk from the house to Accra, so we will calculate that one first. But the rate at which the person is moving is the same as the speed. So that is one whole number, 1 out of 2. So I can change it to improper fraction. So I have one whole number, that is the speed, 1 out of 2 is equal to the distance. That's what I'm looking for. Distance out of time taken. They say she used 3 hours, so out of 3. So I can change this one into improper fraction. 2 times 1 will give me 2, plus 1 is giving me 3. This is 3 out of 2, which is equal to distance out of 3. So I will now do cross multiplication basically, and this becomes 3 times 3, which is equal to 2. So let me name the distance to be d, 2d. So 3 times 3 will give me 9 is equal to 2d. I'm looking for d, so divided by 2, divided by 2. So my d is now equals to 4.5 kilometers. Distance is measured in kilometers. And that is from the house, Ama's house to Accra. Now from Accra to Kumasi, she used a bus. So that bus traveled at a speed of 15 whole number, 1 out of 2 kilometers per hour. So speed here is equal to distance over time taken. And I name the distance to be d. So speed is, so from Accra to Kumasi, the bus is traveling at a speed of 15 whole number, 1 out of 2. So 15 whole number, 1 out of 2 is equal to the distance I'm looking for. Distance over time taken. And they say the time taken from Accra to Kumasi is 2 hours. So out of 2, let me change this to improper fraction. 2 times 15 will give me 30 plus 1, 31. So it becomes 31 out of 2 is equal to, I name the distance to be d, d out of 2. So I will now cross multiply. This becomes 31 times 2 will give me, that will give me something like 62. So sorry, 62 is equal to 2 times will give me 2d I'm looking for D. So divided by 2, divided by 2. So my D is equal to 31 kilometers. So by the same, you should find the distance from Ames village to Kumasi. So what I'll do is to add the one from her village to Accra, then from Accra to Kumasi. So total distance is now equals to 4.5 kilometers plus 31 kilometers, and that is giving me 35.5 kilometers. All right, thank you for watching.